Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2020 Buick Enclave Avenir Edition SUV that's GM factory certified. On the outside, you'll find heated and power door mirrors, rear cross traffic alert system, and a full power liftgate. Inside, we have comfortable leather seating for 7 with heated and cooled front seats, push to start technology, and auto dimming rearview mirror. The 8-inch LCD display is preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2020 Buick Enclave has less than 15,000 miles, GM factory certified, and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641 or visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.